Namaskar. I am Dr. Shehla Agarwal. I am a practicing dermatologist in South Delhi for past 25 years. Today we are talking about psoriasis. Psoriasis is prevalent in the society, though it is not very common, but the people who are suffering from it are always tense about it. Psoriasis is a chronic inflammatory disease. It means that it is not an infection. If it is not an infection, then it cannot be passed from one person to another. So first of all, you have to be rest assured that it is not contagious. You are not going to pass it on to anybody by touching or holding them. But then comes the factors. There is a slight genetic predisposition. People who have psoriasis, their children are likely to get psoriasis in 30% of the cases. But the genetic psoriasis happens in a younger age group, in children less than 10 years. Otherwise, the age of psoriasis is more than 35 years. So if your parents if your parents have psoriasis and you are worried whether you will get it or not, if you have crossed 25, then there are very less chances that you will get psoriasis. What are the factors which can trigger psoriasis in a normal individual or in an individual who have a genetic predisposition? The most important is trauma. It can be a physical trauma, like you hurt your elbow or you hurt there is a scratch on the skin. There the psoriasis can happen. Or if you are taking certain drugs like anti-malarials, lithium, they can increase the chances of you getting psoriasis. So what happens in psoriasis? Psoriasis is a chronic disease in which the skin cell turnover is increased, which means that normally the skin cells from the base layer to the top go in 30 days. In psoriasis, the cycle is reduced to 8 days. But the shedding is not reduced. So what happens that the cells keep on getting dividing and aggregating on the top. So there is always a layer of silvery flakes on your skin. Normally the psoriatic plaques are well defined. They are very annular. They are very well defined. Their erythematous means they are red. Sometimes psoriatic plaques can be itchy. The most problematic lesions are when the scalp is involved or when the body folds are involved. So what are the factors which can aggravate psoriasis? Obesity is one factor which aggravates psoriasis. It is not responsible for starting of psoriasis, but the severity of psoriasis increases in obese people, so you have to control the weight. The second the second problem is smoking. Smoking is a factor which is very severely involved with the advent of psoriasis. So smokers have more than 3 times chance of developing psoriasis, and the psoriasis is not very well under control. So what you have to do, if you are a psoriatic patient, you have to get the treatment with the doctor. And psoriasis is a disease which gets there is relapses, like you will be okay within summers, but when it will come back in winters. So don't get worried about it. It is something which you have to learn how to control. What are the basic things which you have to do? Keep your skin moisturized. After bath, always apply a moisturizer on damp skin. Don't scratch the skin too much. Keep your skin area, especially the body folds, very dry and clean. So these are the things which will not let psoriasis aggravate or become a problem in your life. And as I always say, it is well controlled. People who have hypertension or diabetes, they are well controlled. Similarly, psoriasis is also something which you will learn to control. Don't become anxious about it, because once you are anxious, then the chances that it will aggravate is much more. So psoriasis is something which the person has to learn to control, and psoriasis is something which is very well controlled. Take care.